Today, we will see how you can scan a file with Jsmon. Let's select the workspace and then click on Go to Scans. In here, on the scan screen, you have three options: URL scans, domain scans, and file scan. You need to click on File Scan, but let me show you something else. You can also see the same scan screen by clicking on View All Scans. This also gives you some more filter options right here on the left. Now, let's click on the file scan and you need to choose a file. Let me show you the file that I'm going to use to scan on Jsmon. Here, I have selected 16 URLs from app.getbook.com. I'll click on Choose File, select the file, and then click on Upload. Once the file is visible here, you need to click on the Submit button and it will start the scan. You can clearly see the current status of the scan is in progress. In order to see the current or refresh status, click on the Reload button. When the status has changed to success, you can click on the scan and then see its overview, secrets, and the JS intelligence data. Let's start with overview. Here, you will see all the 16 URLs got scanned successfully. In the API endpoint section, you can only see the last 25 API endpoints. In the PII data, you can see the emails which are present in the JavaScript files of app.getbook.com. Here are the secrets, and we can see there are no secrets present in the JavaScript files of app.getbook.com and the selected 16 JavaScript URLs we have chosen. Secrets are empty. And in the JS intelligence, we can see API endpoints. Again, the last 25 API endpoints would be visible. In the URLs, we will see the URLs which are present in the JavaScript files of app.getbook.com. Here also, you will only see the last 25 JavaScript URLs. Not the JavaScript URLs, but the URLs. Here are the 17 domains and the domain statuses. By default, the JS Intelligence tab only shows the 4 fields: API endpoints, URLs, domains, and domain status. In order to see all the other tabs, which are all the other fields which are there in JS Intelligence, you need to click on View JS Intelligence. Here, you can see API paths, URLs, domains, IP addresses, emails, S3 buckets, bucket takeovers, and many other fields. Some of the fields even have subcategories.